Yeah.
Filming it right now, is that?
Yeah. Oh, get out of here. Oh.
That's really a magpie sitting on that and trying to steal his glasses or whatever.
You're not having that though, are you?
No.
Yeah.
He likes you, gives you kisses.
Oh, he's pulling my hair.
Sorry. Oh my god.
Oh, get in there. Oh, he's cleaning my ears out. Ow, yeah. Get in there. Ow. Jeez. Oh, right in there. Huh? I know. I don't know. Whoa.
Hey, fucking incredible.
Oh god, it doesn't happen every day, does it? Eh? Oh, okay.
Hello, it's me. I'm John, and that's my magpie on the head.
That's my magpie. Magpie on my head.
I think he's trying to rip in your glasses some way.
Is it now? You know. Oh, God.